Thank you guys, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me again. Oyibo naso, but don't worry. Ono mana oyibo na apozim n'ọnụ, oyibo na adapum n'ọnụ. Ekelekwa nke Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị n'ụbọchị nke taata asị m ihe ọma ya emela onye ọbụla. Na enwe video gbara Paul Chigbo mee. Onye ọbụla ma brọchi, obìnrin mara brọchi Paul Chigbo. You can go on Facebook and type God's Agenda Production. Or you on YouTube, God's Agenda Production, or no idea. But our church, Paul Chigbo, I say rugged man of God. His main again agenda is to win souls for the kingdom. You to go with video, man. A message just send it to Ebuka Obi and some of the pinpointing who he teacher. And I love that video so much. I'm one of my brothers or somebody for that video. So one of our brother Obama Production, aka Elijah Canada, where for the video we decided to okwu na that video. And immediately with them na ije na comment section that video brother Paul Chigbo. Odo ganya na enwe some group of people na chọrọ udo. Yes. It's beginning to look obvious enwe group of people na chọrọ udo. Man, you have to comment brother Paul Chigbo n'ihe okwu na video ya. So biko do. It is high time onye ọbụla ma gịnị tibelo our reverend fathers na ekpele. Because all easy. I think the entire movement of God is beginning to baffle them. They don't know whether now is this still the way God said it. Man, they forget to read that and also on the last day, I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, including Muslims. So we have not seen the last move of God yet. We are beginning to see it. So in the end of this video, subscribe and drop your comment in the comment section.
As old as Elijah Enugu up to go so all these young reverend fathers can make 5 years, 10 years had chicha father now much on social media on Facebook. You see, regarding this whole issue that has to do with Evangelist Ebuka and then the father. Ma nke si na Chineke sendere ya ka ọ bịa short all the movement of Zion ministry. Ma Elijah Enugu, all these things ha na-akọ. The only preacher mfugo okwu eziokwu there is brother Paul Chigbo. I just came across his video few minutes ago. Ije watch ya video ya fu na all state nothing but the fact. You can't come out trying to correct or underwrite a fellow preacher of which name and who is real. You got to know they see a preacher, you got to know he see a his thing. Or what Chineke on a preacher. Only one and we rules up or ya kosi menkia. Oh, when did the rugged, oh, when did the brutal in terms of preaching, just like it being a Christian. Oh, when did the very radical in terms of Christianity or whatever. Na de ha no ha wake na agwa. We feel na iji honte anu ihe. He woru ma court oge ntị ka Simon Peter si mee na Bible. Una akọ dekwa na all these preachers. If you na ya na eto okwu ude, good and fine. Do it for yourself and your congregation. If you na especially those things your problem and they face in the world today. If you only the book they enough, may preach, especially only can we majority of his member with youth. If only the me preach, now what had that core bitter truth. And I say, I will not call you Kusisimia, I will not call you Kusisimia. And not to yoku, an old man as old as Elijah Enugu up to go so all these young reverend fathers can make 5 years, 10 years had chicha father now much on social media on Facebook. And this is some of fellow preachers we try to call a spade and put a stop in all these things. Sentiment. Ne create. And azo ka we futacha ni we ezigbo mmade. So first him. Nkaji me nke eme ho. Owu ya agbachapu nwonu quote the truth and nothing but the truth. Like Brother Paul Chigbo. Also now one of the people na no kama na Christianity nwere ugudere on social media from day one. He is among the people that started this whole journey of trying to preach about Christianity, trying to go against all this in that on social media from day one. When the whole heat was very high, some of you preachers, some yesterday, if people like us, Fuwaranya, niye basa Christianity, even the native doctor na traditionalist, from day one, Gima bido yesterday, mapta na page gi, many who preach me evangelist, is when we are talking, trying to correct that nonsense impression most of these preachers they put on social media, causing confusion among the church. Mapta na chasianya ku onyoshi na korobish ka we Igbo preacher. You all should go and watch that video Brother Paul Chigbo did. I just came across that video this morning and I was very, very impressed. If at all no way here have na evangelist Ebuka me or no nekwu now the whole no sequences here. You call him or you go there. Evangelist Ebuka, I know, always listen and pay attention to a reverend father. As far as the reverend father be among, he won't even allow you to be among all these people on the street as a father or a sister. He will never allow you, as far as not forget. He must bring you in. But you see some of all these who causing confusion and problems, especially Father Isin Quarter. Oh, the head and the father, or not a boost on the father, or choro, all that stop for movement, or the very brutal, or that cause a problem. Oh, no, only car today, only tomorrow. Just now manipulate the minds of innocent Christians. And when people like us come out here to talk, God will give you zure, you bet you no. I said, focus on what you are doing, do this one, do that one. I don't want this video to be very long. The only thing I want to say is that I'm very, very impressed on that video Father Paul Chigbo did. Even though I'm not watching here to the end because I was on a hiss when I was, watching the video. But I've been very, very impressed. At least he's the only preacher who go so far without his thing, without sentiment. Allow people to do their thing. And the Elijah, I will keep saying this. If the too old for all these things in the on social media, do have to anyways. But if the too old, all these small newly ordained fathers can 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years, cause all this issue. Give my own pa. It's so cool. Join equal nke nwere isi nkwọcha uya na greediness na-eme. Obuzo bakwa na ụmụ nwanyị America ada solve their problem. Ada emezili ya nka. From there, switch ya. Na na-achi imebiri ya Catholic, this one and that one. Onye mara ebe ọ sara arụ ya je chere akwa ya. Onye ona mara ebe ọsọ ahụ je chere akwa ya. Onye ona kwairo onwe ugwu na this social media space. For my own, I always say it. If you guys want this whole issue to lie low, we will get bido from ebo si we bido we tackle where. If not, no peace.